Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you able to post your free ad in souq.iium.edu.my. So first you can just click here, post free ads button, and it will prompt you to log in. You just enter your credential for this one. So once you're able to log in to this application SOUQ, so it will ask you regarding your products that you want to post lah. So for title, let's say I want to actually sell my we call laptops or my Macs. You can just put MacBook here, and the price for this, let's say I put it at 2000s, and I can choose a category for this. Choose mobiles and electronics, or I can even choose books or energy, depends. So for this one, I just select computers, as MacBook is a computers. So the location, for example, if I would prefer this to be inside the campus, okay, the currently that I'm reside in which I am Gambak campus. And this one, let's say I just put it like 4 gig of RAM, the details of the products, okay, and let's say this one is 500 gig of SSD and so on. Okay, let's say for example like this one, conditions, okay, let's say 8 or 10, okay, and then just put your contacts, okay, please WhatsApp or Telegram me at, let's say 01, okay, and just post an advertisement set here. Right now you just need to upload the image of your products by clicking choose file. Alright, so let's say I have inside here MacBook Air, click here opens and click the upload image. So now I have upload my image and just click complete here. So you can see your new ads will be listed here. You can click on this, okay, and you're able to see your ads, okay, live. And of course you can able to share your ads, your WhatsApps, emails, Facebook or Twitters, and you can even find all the ads that related to the mobiles and electronics, or you can choose the subcategories, for example like computers, okay, and sort this one, for example like high to low. And of course you can actually try to make this as a favorites, like for example here, right, and show inside here your likes, okay, and if you want to unlike, you can just unlike here. Alright, so if you want to edit your ads, you just go to your my dashboards, and inside here you can edit it. Right, for example, let's say this one I will upgrade this to become 8 gig of RAMs, and this one I will say I will add another 200. Okay, let's update advertisements. Okay, now if you go to your dashboard, you can see these are already up to date. Or you can click your inside here, you can see that the ad is automatically updates for everyone's. Okay, just click here to make it the image is a bit bigger. Okay, then just if you want to, you just lock up. You're able to see all these things as well lah. Alright, so that's it. Hope you can post your ads inside here. Alright, it's free, and it's free for the IM community. Alright, that's all. Thank you, and bye bye.